3, 2. I know you see somehow the world will change me. It'll be so beautiful. Hey guys, it's Desi and Jade, and today I'm back with another video. Today I have, I don't want to do this, Keiomi. And today I'm forcing her to do Best Friend Where's My Wig. She's never worn a wig before. She's never worn a sew-in. Like the only thing she's ever worn is clip-ins. So this is new to her, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm not gonna braid her hair or nothing. We're literally just gonna put a wig cap on and the wig, and then we'll see. So stay tuned. Alright guys, my hair probably still wet. Yeah, it's a little damp. We need some jams. There, so since I'm not putting her hair in braids, I was gonna put it in a low ponytail. Oh, there's such a cool hang time. About to cut off. Oh, about to cut off. Hold on. This is so cute. No, look like a raccoon that died on my head. Y'all see this? A whole damn raccoon that died on my head. Oh my god, I'm dead. My edges is being snatched. Oh my god. Really? I'm sorry. She's so extra. You know I don't like things touching my neck. I mean, it looks like it ain't fitting, so you're like, oh my. Bitch, who is that? Oh my god, can I put it all the way on? Oh. Dang. Oh, you got done? Y'all, tell me why the wig is sitting way back here. Oh my god, y'all, she like it! Okay, we're back. Okay. Yes! Hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short video.
Wait. It's something I always want to do.
What you want to do? I hate you! Look, we good. Let's go. I'm tired of her.